So one of you guys asked me how to use that button right there, the hill descent control button. That button right there, which turns on that little downhill looking icon on the dashboard. Now, that button there only works going downhill. So I'm going up the mountain right now. So I'm in 4 low in first gear. I normally always use first gear when climbing. There's no reason to use any other gear than first. So we're in 4 low, first gear. So I'm in first gear. I'm gonna shift her to second gear. Okay. Get on down this road here. And then I'll show you real quick. Throw it back in first. Okay, so I'm gonna flip the hill descent control on right here, and on the dashboard you should get a little downhill looking icon right there, little downhill truck icon. So what I'm gonna do is take my foot off of the gas pedal and off of the brake pedal, and you will see if somebody's behind your truck, you'll notice that the brake light will be on. So basically it's just hitting the brakes for me. My feet are completely off of any brake or gas pedal right now. So I'm going down this sketchy section I would not do with any other tires. Oh man, except these 10-ply Goodyear tires. I did apply the brakes myself a little bit. So hill descent control is applying the brakes for me. Okay, my feet are completely off of the brakes right now. It's doing all the braking for me. You can see my feet are on the floor. That's literally straight down. It's just really hard to see on camera, but that was really steep downhill section right there. And my feet are on the floor still. You can hear the disc squeaking. Go ahead and flip the switch back off. I'm done with that. In a sketchy spot. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Hey, what you up to? So I mean, like I said guys, this truck is just so much fun, man. So much fun. This truck is definitely super capable, guys. This truck has everything you need, stock form, no lift kit required, man. Look at that. I didn't even scrape. Oh, you're all dusty. It's all right. Let's do it. Woo! Come on. Nice. No problems at all. I'm telling you guys, this truck is so much fun.